Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a Blackbox AI. So basically Blackbox AI is an AI coding assistant and we can generate code, explain code, fix bug, search coding solution and build project faster using AI. And you can use it anywhere in terminal, ID extension, remote agent and API. So I'm going to use extension in VS Code. So open VS Code and look for extension, search Blackbox and click install, and now new icon for Blackbox will appear on left sidebar. Click here and you can connect with your account and you can continue for free. And if you have subscribed to Pro, you can connect by clicking on the connect button. Okay, now let's test this by giving some prompt. So I'll ask create an authentication API using Node.js and Express.js and hit enter. And now it generates code instantly. Okay, another question. Let's say create login form in React with a validation and hit enter. And you can see because I didn't mention clearly, and now it's asking me, do you want a standalone React app or add the login form to existing React project? And I can ask to add the login form to current project and hit enter again. And now you can see it's generating all the code required for this project. And now you can see the magic. Everything is happening in the background. And here Blackbox generated so many files. And here you can see the front end login form. Now our task is completed. And here we can see summary. It also provided instruction for next step. So you can see for backend usage, React usage. And here it created 7 files in total. So we have a front-end login form, middleware authentication, env example, routes, data, config, server, and package.json file. And it finished everything into 3 minutes. And now you can start new task if you're done with this. Okay, now let's run this and see the output. So first install the package, npm install, and then npm start. And now you can say we got error and it says missing nb variable. So I can ask Blackbox fix there is error. So you can use Blackbox also for debugging. Okay, now let's run the same command again. So npm start, and now you can see our API is listening on HTTP. So that's all for Blackbox AI, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.